What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we'll explore a useful feature for Wix users, and that is how to add someone as a contributor to your Wix site. Adding contributors allows you to share the workload and collaborate with others on your website's management. But before we jump right into it, if you are new here or haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time to hit that subscribe button below, and do not forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. And to our returning viewers and subscribers, welcome back. You are the heart and soul of our channel, and I am grateful for your continued support. Okay, before you add someone as a contributor to the Wix site, why not go to the web browser of your choice? I'm using Google Chrome right now, okay? And Wix.com is compatible to any type of browsers, be it Brave, Safari, Firefox. Once you are on Wix.com, sign up and create an account. It's easy and free. Once you've successfully created your account, you're gonna go and log in to the dashboard. Okay. Now, when you hover to your dashboard, you might want to go here to settings. Okay. Once you are on settings, all right. Okay. Or what we could do here is go to not actually settings. Let's go in the main menu first. All right. Okay, this one. You see right here, site actions. All I'm gonna do is go and add collaborators. Okay. All right. So adding someone as a contributor to your Wix site can be advantageous for a lot of reasons. Number one, sharing the workload and responsibilities with contributors allows for more efficient website management, especially when multiple people are involved in a content creation and updates. Delegating specific tasks to contributors such as content creation, design updates, or administrative duties can free up your time to focus on higher priority tasks. Contributors with specific expertise such as graphic design, SEO or content writing can enhance the quality of your website's content and appearance. Contributors also can help your website's content fresh and up to date, which is important for engaging visitors and maintaining SEO rankings, okay? Now, when you are here, all you gotta do is type in the email address of the person that you wanted to invite. For example, okay? And here you have a multiple of options that you wanted to give access to, like say admin, the co-owner. He has the access to edit, publish, and manage the site, including billing, payment, and financial info. We also have the website manager, the website designer, back office, a manager. We also have the SMS editor, billing manager, domain manager, marketing manager, customer relations manager, store manager, payment manager, payments admin, and financial manager. Okay, now with that being said, let's say, for example, when your contributors can also assist in identifying, and resolving issues, reducing downtime, and maintaining a smooth user experience. New contributors, when you select them one here, can also bring fresh ideas, insights, and perspective, which can lead to creative and innovative improvements on your website. Matter of fact, if you are temporarily unavailable due to vacations, or holidays or other commitments, contributors that you chosen here can ensure that your website continues to run smoothly in your absence. In summary, adding contributors to your Wix site can improve collaboration, streamline website management, and enhance the overall quality of your site. It's particularly valuable for those who want to share responsibilities and leverage the expertise of others to achieve their website goals. Okay? Remember, guys, um, with contributors, you are adding an additional layer of support for data backup and recovery, and you are reducing the risk of data loss due to technical issues or accidental deletion. So you have here, just have to choose. When you choose one, send invite, and automatically the recipient will read the email and they will be given access as a contributor to your Wix website. I believe, guys, that's a wrap for today's video. If you find it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more tutorials for future topic and contents. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.